Ordering online through Neverfail could not be more simple. From the homepage, navigate to the product categories to view the Neverfail product range. If you're unsure about which product to buy or how much water you might need, our handy water calculator can help you make the decision. You can access the water calculator in the top navigation bar. After selecting how many adults, kids, and pets are at your home, or how many employees and clients are at your workplace, the water calculator will recommend relevant coolers, as well as a suggested water amount required to keep your home or workplace hydrated. Once you've decided on the right products for your needs, add them to your cart, confirm your rental option if you've selected a cooler, and water delivery frequencies such as monthly, quarterly, half-yearly, annually, or once off. If you need more regular deliveries, please contact our customer care team and they'll be able to provide additional assistance. Add any other items you need to your cart such as cups, soft drinks, tea and coffee, which will all be delivered direct to your door with your water delivery, and proceed to the checkout. Now you need to log in or register as a new customer to complete your subscription or once-off order. Just confirm your address and payment details and place the order. To view your order subscriptions, navigate to My Account and select My Subscriptions on the left-hand menu. Here you'll be able to edit, pause, and cancel subscriptions. If you have added any other items with frequencies of once-off order, you'll see the details under Order History but not Subscriptions. After your order has been placed, and if you're a new customer not on a regular delivery schedule, our customer care team will coordinate a suitable time to deliver and install your cooler or deliver your products. For more help with Neverfail ordering and account management, visit our frequently asked questions page or speak to one of our friendly customer care team.